Hey guys, it's me Brian, and today I'm going to be unboxing my new first gear garbage truck. I've already opened it earlier, I just put it back in for the sake of this video. But this is a dumpster thing, right? The part right here, fork's going through, already broke off. I'm going to have to get some super glue for it, but now we're going to I'll push it out. Where's that foam? For those who don't have a heil and want a heil, it's a bit bigger and longer than this one. Now I'm gonna open it up. So you can see it's in there. Take it out. Sorry, now that it's a bit close, I'm not using my tripod at this moment. But this is the truck. This part right here goes up. This feels like plastic. The cab also goes up. Won't be a very long one, since that's just a little view or something. But yeah, this goes down. I was expecting it to be all stiff. This part, the forks right here, are the only stiff part. Then the back right here opens up. This is how far it'll go. That's cool. I like the yellow. But I'm gonna make it in action right now. We'll just do one dumpster for now. I have a few dumpsters in here that are homemade. But yeah, okay. It's in here. And sorry, that's not gonna be a very long video. I just don't feel like making a really long video anyway, so yeah. Make sure this is down. All it is kind of, I don't know, it's like how far it'll go. Well, I usually do this so I could tip it. But yeah. So I'll show you how it works. I want to show you guys something. These are all the dumpsters I made. My biggest one. This one doesn't fit in my old one. Well, it does, but I won't go all the way in like this. Yeah. That's the thing I like about this truck. This one could actually go in all the way. What I did earlier. Yeah. Could actually go in all the way like that. I'll show you guys the inside right now. How far it'll go. Then this one won't allow the forks to go in completely, so I don't think it'll let this one do the same thing. Check it out. I don't know. It'll go a little bit further. Yeah, that's good. I'll show you guys the inside right now. But here's the inside. The compactor is more, it's like bigger than what it usually is. or bigger than the old one. But yeah, and then also those who've already have one of these, you already know that these move, but they don't come down. But yeah, it's a pretty cool truck. Ordered it like a couple weeks ago. I like how it's like completely black, like this one. And then it has the black parts right here for the windshield wipers. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I'll be making another video later on, like probably not today, but like whenever I decide to film. And it'll be probably with both trucks in it. I'm not sure yet. I'm also thinking about getting a throttle cam for this. And I love how it says think green and think clean. We run on clean burning natural gas. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it. If you guys did, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment down below, and share. Peace.